Hello friends, hey, welcome to the upcoming Amazon Prime sale. Hey, just want to add a couple of these to your attention that are on sale. Some are $100 off, and I've been using these for over a year. Let's get into it real quick and I'll show you about these and you go from there.
First one up is BougeRV 12 volt 23 quart portable freezer and cooler. Sale price $159, costing me $250. Has served me well. Comes with 4 different colors. Next is the Ecoflow River 2 Pro Power Station. This one has served me well over the last couple of years. It is 768 watt hours. LifeP04 lithium battery. 800 watts to 1600 watts AC outlet boost. Solar generator, 60-minute fully recharge. Goes really fast. And it will charge while you're still running. Chargeable through AC plug-in or by solar. With an Ecoflow built-in inverter. On sale for $359. I paid well over $400 for it. That's a killer price. And Ecoflow stands behind the products with a great warranty. Here we have the Green Power Mini 12 volt 100 amp hours LifeP04 battery, 1280 watt hours, A+ grade prismatic cells made for smaller batteries, for smaller places. Has BMS technology, protects against all weather, hot and cold. Also for overcharging, it will literally shut down and save your battery. This battery sells for $149.99 sale price. This mini is a special one for me, that it can fit in small places. And last but not least, we have the Vader 12 volt 100 amp hours LifeP04 lithium battery. Has BMS protection, which will detect cold or hot or overcharging technology to turn off battery. This one's special with a self-heating battery. Runs in cold weather. Self-heating starts around 30 Fahrenheit. Has a Bluetooth connection to show all status of the battery. Great feature. Only selling for $259.99.
So yeah, I just want to show you these real quick. Sale starts 7th through the 8th, coming up this week. And grab them while you can. These are really good sales that are going on. Check out the description below. I'll have all the links for these with the sale price and everything. You can click on and check them out for yourself. Have a good one, y'all. Happy camping. Bye.